Hi, friend. How are you? Thank you for joining me. We are here for, I'm Pat Sloan, by the way. We're here for the As It Is studio tour with all these fun designers here today. So we're going to go into my studio. We're outside on my deck, and my studio is actually the family room of our home, and it's not a very big room. So here we go. We'll come on in, and I will shut the screen door. So there we go. Like a little bird's eye view first of what's in here. Take a look around, and that's the other wall. So in the middle is my gorgeous Koala studio table, which seats my Baby Lock Solaris and has storage underneath. I also have cabinets in here, so I just thought I'd walk you through real quick what I've got going on, because we're supposed to show our studio as it is. And well, I just happened to finish a lot of projects and do a lot of tidying up. So if you're doing my daily videos, you know about the tidying up. So I don't have as big a mess as I usually do, but I do have all of my new Morrison Park fabric from Benartex that is finally in. I finally have my fabric, so my task to get these big bolts big rolls cut so that I can actually make the quilts that I designed and have for Morrison Park. And that fabric will be in your stores in October. So be sure to share this video with your shop so they can order it for you. Alrighty, let's get to the tour. This is the cabinet where I keep all of my, well, it's not all my projects, but I keep, there we go, a lot of project bins. So these are things that I'm working on. I do have baskets on here and then baskets behind the mini quilt. Now on my Fireside Chats on Monday night, I do daily videos, video challenges. And on Mondays, they're a little bit longer and they're in the evening, and I call them the Fireside Chat, because back here is the fireplace for the family room. So, okay, let's go back behind the table. This is where I sit for some of the videos. My computer corner. So I'll take you in the computer corner here, and now you can see the other part of the room out into my kitchen. There's the door out. So I actually have a lot of wall space that's not usable in here because of the door to the kitchen, the door to the deck, the fireplace. So not everything I own is in this room. You know, we have stock and supplies and quilts and other rooms, but this is my main working studio. So I also have a small obsession with these rolling carts. So I have a bunch of these that I keep lots of things in. And here's more Morrison Park, and there's more over there waiting to be cut up. On my design wall, which is right here, is childhood games, and we have one more block, and then the next one will be going on a picnic. So I hope you'll join me. And I'm Pat Sloan. I hope you really had fun taking a peek at my studio here in Virginia, and I hope to see you online. Bye-bye.